Garden tool sets are a must-have for any avid gardener or homeowner looking to maintain their outdoor space. There are many products available to choose garden tool sets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best garden tool sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Grow It Heavy Duty Gardening Tools. The Grow It Gardening Tools set is the perfect companion for gardening enthusiasts. It includes a complete collection of 22 durable tools, ensuring you have everything needed to cultivate your garden. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, these tools are not only lightweight, but also resistant to rust and corrosion, making them long-lasting. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended gardening sessions. Plus, with a convenient garden bag included, you can easily keep all your tools organized and accessible, enhancing your gardening experience. Number 2. Fiskars 3-in-1 Garden Tool Set. Trowel. Fiskars Garden Tool Set is a 3-in-1 essential gardening set that includes a heavy-duty hand trowel, transplanter, and cultivator. These tools are designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. The cast aluminum heads and tines provide maximum power for digging in tough soil, while also enhancing rust resistance. The soft grip ergonomic handles allow for more control and reduce fatigue, making it comfortable to use for longer periods. The polished cast aluminum heads and forked tines ensure long-lasting durability. Whether you need to dig, weed, turn soil, aerate, or transplant, this tool set has got you covered. With Fiskars Garden Tool Set, cultivating a better garden has never been easier. Number 3. Complete Heavy Duty Garden Tools Set. The Play 22 Garden Tool Set is a comprehensive collection designed for gardening enthusiasts. It includes essential tools like a weeder, hand fork, and pruner, all crafted from sturdy steel for durability. The ergonomic handles make it comfortable to use, allowing you to work in your garden without straining your hands. These tools are gentle on plants, enabling you to dig and transplant with care, preserving the roots of your greenery. Plus, the high-quality bag keeps everything organized, so you won't waste time searching for tools when you're ready to garden. Number 4. Kainup Garden Tools 7-piece. The Kainup Garden Tools set is perfect for all your gardening needs. It comes with essential tools like a trowel, hand rake, and pruning shears, all stored in a convenient garden bag. This set is made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring that your tools are lightweight yet strong, reducing fatigue during long gardening sessions. Additionally, you'll appreciate the included gloves and plant repotting mat, which help keep your workspace clean and organized. With this set, you can tackle your gardening tasks more efficiently and enjoy your time outdoors. Number 5. WorkPro Garden Tools Set. Looking for a durable and reliable garden tool set? Look no further than the WorkPro Garden Set. Made of high-hardness stainless steel, this set includes a trowel, hand weeder, cultivator, pruning shears, transplant trowel, and hand fork, all designed to meet the challenges of gardening. The large-capacity garden tote bag is made of super strong 600D polyester and includes 8 exterior side pockets and elastic loops above pockets, so you can easily keep more tools in place and carry them with you wherever you go. The ergonomic handle is made of smooth wood and fits easily in your hand, reducing the pain of yard work. With a precise scale on the transplanter, you can transplant green plants effectively and quickly. This set is an excellent gift for your favorite gardening enthusiast.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.